Good morning, this is Miss Muir. I'm going to be showing you today how to complete your main lesson for math and how to submit your assignments to Schoology. So first, on your screen, you should see your PowerPoint, which is going to be sent out for every day. So on Tuesday, you are going to look at your learning target. I will identify how to find the volume of a rectangular prism. Next is your success criteria. I can describe the 3 dimensions needed to find the volume of a rectangular prism: length, width, and height. Now you're probably thinking, wait, we already talked about this before we left. I know, this week is used for a review of concepts that we've already talked about and we've learned in class. So I'm really interested to see what you say and what you find out about volume. So next, if you go to your math to-do list, it's kind of like a checklist, and you know I like to be organized. So first, we have our main lesson. Next, watch the video about solving for volume. And last, answer the questions on Schoology about volume. Okay, on the next slide, for your math main lesson, can you find the volume of a rectangular prism? I included a super cool video that talks about volume, so make sure you watch that. The next question, what is the formula for finding volume? Good! Hopefully you said length times width times height. Or I also have kiddos who say base times height. Either one is acceptable. The next slide, answer questions on Schoology. So here comes the really cool part where you get to have a chance to log on to Schoology and show what you know. If you still need a refresher, I have another cool video about volume. Next, we're going to log into Schoology. We're going to go to the class section, click on the assignment, answer the questions, and hit submit. So I have Schoology already logged in. Make sure you're logged in. I usually tell my kiddos, this is math class, so make sure we're under mathematics for the courses. On Schoology, you will see a folder, Online Learning Week 1. You will click that folder, and in that folder, you will see so many neat resources. Yesterday, you should have discovered the number talk from Miss Cox. And today, you will learn about the main lesson, finding volume. You will click on that. And I have included 3 questions about volume, okay? Number 1 is multiple choice. Number 2 is multiple choice. And number 3 is true or false. Now, a lot of you are really familiar with Schoology, but if you still have a question on where to find the assignment or how to submit it, feel free to email us, or our phone numbers are listed for our office hours. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you submit.